Make money without selling anything online. Is this something you're interested in? Type in a yes if it is. And of course, also check out my mastermind, which you can check out on the screen right now as I highlighted to you so that you can actually go in there and get a lot more information. Hi, this is Simon Leung from simonleung.com. Welcome to our new video today about how to make money without selling anything on the internet. And yes, that is the topic that we have called it in the actual title. But what if I give you one even better? What if you can actually not just make money without selling anything, but you can actually make money as an affiliate even by simply giving away free things? Well, that is exactly what I want to share with you here today. Now, in case you're not too familiar with everything that we have been talking about in regards to affiliate marketing or anything else, please go back and check out some of our other videos because we definitely have a lot of content on that as well. But just to get you started on the right path, instead of having you to go through, stop this video and find some other videos on this particular topic, I will explain to you, if you don't know what it is already, what is affiliate marketing. Okay, so with affiliate marketing, it is basically the concept and the idea and the process of promoting and selling other people's products. So there's a lot of these videos that we already have inside this channel. Of course, you can check them out whenever you want to learn more. Now, for all of this here today, the good news is I do want to make this as newbie and beginner friendly as much as possible for you to get started. Now, by beginner friendly and by newbie friendly, it means that I assume you know absolutely nothing about how to get started. So with that, I want to share with you just a little bit about the process that it usually takes in order for you to get started into a successful and profitable affiliate campaign. Normally, when doing affiliate marketing, you do need to promote something that you may need to believe in. You know, it doesn't make sense for us to start promoting and endorsing things that we are not passionate about, we don't know anything about, and quite frankly, we couldn't care less about it, right? So normally it is something where you may need to do a little bit of research. You need to try things out, maybe even invest in some products, and just to see whether or not this is something that is good as a product or service that you would want to promote. So normally it does take a lot of time. It is a lot of trial and error. But the good news is that today I do have something for you. Yes, you can make money as an affiliate, and yes, you can earn commissions without selling anything. Again, if you're interested, just do me a quick favor, type in yes along with where you're watching us from in the comments. Let me know which city, let me know what time it is, so that I know that even though we're not doing this live, however, by getting this kind of information, at least I know that we can create more types of content that could be more tailored towards you. Okay, so if you're interested in making money with affiliate marketing, and let's say that you don't want to sell anything, you want to give things away for free, you want the easiest way possible, type that in the comments so that I know that you are with us. All right, so first and foremost, if you don't know already, and you haven't really been following some of my previous videos, I want to invite you to go to myinternetbuilder.com/JV. Okay, so again, as you can see on the screen right now, myinternetbuilder.com/JV. And to make things easier for you, I'm also going to show you this on my screen as well. Now, what I recommend that you do once you are here at myinternetbuilder.com/JV is that you do read through this entire page. It will give you some information about a perfectly suitable, beginner-friendly affiliate program that you should get started with, especially when you are, looking for what is the best type of product and service to buy, because as a free bonus, you will also get access to this product for free. So you don't actually need to worry about investing in the product. You don't need to worry about reviewing it. You don't need to worry about playing around with it and maybe potentially losing time and money if it's a physical product or whatever else, because now you actually get to come to this page, again, myinternetbuilder.com/JV, sign up right away, get access to the product right away, and at any given time, you can already get started as an affiliate marketer. So just to give you an idea, right up here on the top, you will see watch this video to learn how to make money online without selling anything and earn commissions by simply giving away our world-class software, products, and services for free. So take 1 minute. That's all it takes to watch this video that will give you a lowdown of exactly what this is all about. Right here, you see best affiliate marketing program, make recurring, residual, and passive income online suitable for beginners or experts. It's the highest conversion in the industry, period. Earn up to 40% commissions, earn extra second tier commissions up to 10%, and you get paid in USD every single week. Okay, so again, you can scroll through this page if you want to learn more about the actual product itself. Check out some of these videos. There are some step-by-step video lessons and tutorials and more about the actual product. But of course, that is all for your own diligence. If you decide that you want to do your homework and everything else, which is of course highly recommended, but for the purpose of your goal, for what we want to do here today is to sign up for an affiliate program where it doesn't take you time to review the product, it doesn't take time to approve your accounts, and it doesn't take time for anything else because everything will go through an instantaneous approval process. Okay, so one last time, go to myinternetbuilder.com/JV, and the only thing you're gonna need to do next is to come here and click on where it says sign up now. All right, once you click on sign up now, the cool thing about this is that this page is going to load. You can see that limited time offer, get Groove Pages and Groove Sale for free, no credit card required ever. Breaking news, the #1 new sales page and funnel building platform is now 100% free. So you will learn everything that you need to learn all about the tool and the system on all these pages. But again, what we want you to do right now is just to really quickly sign up for your free account, because once you do that, you will be able to promote Groove as part of everything else that you will continue to learn on this channel about affiliate marketing. In terms of strategies, I will show you different ways that you will be able to promote this for 100% free. If you like free, type in free in the actual comments so that I know that you like free. And of course, all of this will be provided to you free of charge as well, just to make sure. In order for us to be on the same team, so to speak, right here underneath the sign up form, okay, you will see where it says refer. And I just want you to do me a quick favor and confirm that you see my name, Simon Leung, right here. If not, then clear your cookies and refresh the page, open up a new browser or whatever else, and follow through the exact same process, myinternetbuilder.com/JV, and then come here and check this again. If you have any questions about that, if you have any challenges or obstacles or questions, leave them down in the comments and I will do what I can to walk you through the process to go through all of this. Okay, so your very first step here today is to simply sign up for this brand new free account so that you can start promoting this particular system for 100% and absolutely free. And of course, as time goes on, we will continue to give you some additional training and resources associated with that as well. One last time, of course, if you want some ongoing mentorship, I am offering this for absolutely free. If you go back and check what I posted earlier, and as a matter of fact, you can watch this and see this on your screen right now, simonleung.com/mastermind. I want you to be invited. This is your cordial invitation to go into my private mastermind and to join us while it is still open, while it is still available, and while it is still free, so that you can be a part of some of the best training in the world. And I want to make absolute best sure that you are taken care of, especially when you're on our team, to talk more about how you can make money online. So with that, this is our quick session that we have here for you today. Hope that it was helpful for you. Leave us a comment inside of the comments or wherever it is that you might be watching us, and make sure that you let us know how else we can help you. All right, so take action on everything that we just talked to you about right now. Go sign up at myinternetbuilder.com/JV. Of course, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you at the top.